Hello students, today we are going to learn Introduction to the Geometrical Shape. So let's learn part 1. Let's handle geometric shapes. Let's collect the object. Matchstick boxes, cartoons of toothpaste, mithai box, etc. Water bottles, balls of different sizes, a clown cap and pipe made of card paper. Have you met that? Okay. Now observe the objects on the table. Separate the objects of similar shapes. Hey children, look at the objects on the table. Here there are three different balls, one water bottle and pipe made up of card paper, a clown cap, mehendi cone, two mithai boxes, a matchbox, carton of toothpaste and one pencil box. Let's separate them according to their shapes. A birthday cap and a mehendi cone have same shape, so let us put them separate. Now, these three balls are around in shape, so put them separate. Water bottle and pipe made up of card paper are same in shape, so separate them. And lastly, two mithai boxes, matchbox, cartoons of toothpaste and the pencil box are similar in size and shape. So separate them out. Now cuboid. Pick up and handle a mithai box as a shape such that it is called as a cuboid or parallelepiped. You must have seen bricks on the construction sites. Any object shaped like a brick is called a cuboid. Can you tell me how many edges does this shape have? This cuboidal shape has 12 edges. How many corners? Can you tell me? It has 8 corners. Now let us look at the surface of cuboid. They are all flat. A cuboid has 6 surfaces altogether. If we place a cuboid on a slide in a park, it will slip down the slope because of its flat surface. Now, find out the objects on the table of a cuboid shape. Two mithai boxes, matchsticks box, a pencil box are the objects on the table having cuboid shape. Now a cone. Now let's take a look at the clown's cap you have made. Its shape is called a cone. The shape like a clown's cap or fool's cap is called a cone. You are familiar with an ice cream cone and a mehendi cone. A cone has one edge and one corner. The flat base of a cone is a circular. See how the sloping surface of a cone turns continuously around. It is called the curved surface. Now the cylinder. Look at the water bottle. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. Cylinder, a bottle-like shape which has a circular base, is called a cylinder or a circular prism. Flat top surface, curved surface, flat bottom surface. A cylinder has two edges but not a single corner. The base and the top surface of cylinder are alike, flat and circular. The turning faces between them is curved surface. Now see this. Place a cylinder on the top of the slide. Down it. If cylinder is placed with the flat circular base, it will slip down the slide, and if cylinder is placed with the curved surface, it will roll on the slide. See, you can see that. Now, by the rolling side, which is curved surface. When we place an object with its flat surface on a slide, it slips down. But if we place its curved surface on the side, the object rolls down. You can see this clearly with the help of the cylinder. Round shape or circular shape. A ball is said to be a spherical. A spear shape. A shape like a ball is called a spear. Spear have no edges and no corners. No part of shape is flat of spear. It turns continuously. Thus, a spear has only a curved surface. Now, if we put the spear on top of slide, does the spear slip or roll down when it's placed on the slide? As the spear has only curved surface, it will roll down the slide. Now match the pairs. Cylinder, cuboid, cone, spear. First one. Tell me first one. First one is cuboid. Second one is the spear. Third one is cylinder. And the last one is cone. So students, we learn about the different geometric shapes. Cylinder, cone, sphere, square, rectangle. So please revise and practice them at home. Thank you.